So good morning friends, I'm Soumitra here from Mineral Water Project Information. So today we are going to talk about what is added minerals. Okay, so let's straight away see a bottle which has been marked as added minerals. Hold for a second to turn my camera from selfie to the normal mode. So here you can see I kept three bottles here. So first of all, why there is mineral, when it is already mineral water. So it is a very colloquial general way of calling mineral water. So mainly water is, you can say that water is packaged drinking water or natural mineral water. So the standards have been decided by the BIS, that is ISI, and the natural mineral water is the water which directly qualifies to standard 13428. So at source itself the water qualifies to that. So if your water qualifies to that, it can be called as 13428. Like in the case of this bottle called Veen, you can see the bottle Veen. So Veen, what it says, packaged natural mineral water. So for packaged natural mineral water, the standard is 13428. Okay, so that is a different water. It is naturally mineralized water, so it does not need to add any minerals. Okay, and as you know that it is very expensive also. The Veen bottle is costing nearly 200 rupees for 330 ml. So besides that, there is one more bottle, it is kept here, that is some make with added minerals, and here also you can see that even this water is also branded with added minerals. So what is that? That is added minerals. What is that? So that is what I am trying to explain you. Basically this all water, the Veen water, the Veen one which we were talking about, the Veen water, it does not need any treatment, as I told you. So it does not mean that it does not need other treatment, but salt removal is not there. The natural minerals which are there present, they needed to be intact. That is why it is called as natural mineral water. But all other kind of water, suppose you have a borewell in your source and you are taking out water and you want to make it bottled water, so it has to qualify to again certain standards. Those standards are grouped under one standard called IS 14543. That is packaged drinking water. That means the raw water which is made good to be consumed by humans. So it is something like that, is drinking water, packaged drinking water. So whenever the water is carried through, it has to go through certain quality standards. So in that process, what they typically do is actually the minerals are totally removed from the water first, and then again some effective or added minerals are added back in the water. So that is why it is called as added minerals. Okay, so added minerals are, what are the added minerals? They can be calcium, magnesium, n number of whatever you feel like. Now recently also FSSAI, there is one more body called FSSAI, which also has, you have to seek permission from them also. So FSSAI has made it compulsory to add, because they believe that if you remove all these minerals, it is not going to be beneficial for the health. So they have made it compulsory that you have to add at least calcium and magnesium to a certain extent in the water. So without that you cannot pack and sell the water. So is it necessary? What it is, exactly. So we have written a blog post also on this. So you can just refer the blog post which is given in the description, or otherwise you just request us, we can send you the blog post. Just WhatsApp us on 9822478111. We can send you the blog post link. So you will come to know what is that added minerals thing, and about what is the packaged drinking water plant. If you want to establish a business on that, we also carry out certain trainings. So every month we have got 2 trainings. The trainings are online currently on Zoom, 90 minutes each day for 4 days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. 4 days we take the trainings, 3 to 4:30 as the timings. For next trainings you can just ask us, and also subscribe to the newsletter. And if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, which you are watching the video right now, you can subscribe and press the bell icon not to miss a single update. Thank you.